Hello friends, welcome to Anil Codecraft Solutions. Today topic is what is an operating system? What are the functions of operating system? An operating system is a set of programs. An operating system is a set of programs. It is the interface between user and the computer. It creates the user friendly environment. It acts like the government collect the money. The government collects the money. Money through taxes and distribute this money. Taxes and distribute distribute this money to public for service. It likes the government, the collects the money for public, for taxes, same as the operating system collects the collects the various resources like tapes, printers, disk, etc., and grant these resources to various process for suppose we want to copy a program in DOS operating system. We want to copy a program or file. You want to copy the file or program in DOS operating system. Sorry, DOS operating system. Just we type the command. If you want to copy the file or anything, You want to write the command in those operating system. For example, copy or copy file name. That will copy the file or program. For suppose we want to copy a program without operating system, without without operating system, then we have to write a program, have to write a program for copy command. Then only we can copy the file. It is it is very difficulty processing. So the operating system, the main purpose of the operating system, so the main purpose of the operating system is to create user friendly environment. User friendly environment. Functions of operating system. Functions of operating system. Wait 1 minute. I will read the headline. Okay, thanks for waiting. Functions of operating system. First one, job scheduling. Second one, controlling the hardware resources such as IO devices. IO means Input output devices. IO devices. IO devices means input and output devices, secondary storage devices, second storage devices, etc. Third one, protecting the hardware and software and data improper use. Fourth one, memory and CPU management. Memory and CPU management. Fifth one, file and software management. Interpretation of commands and instructions of commands and instructions. Instructions. Seventh one. Seventh one. Facilities easy communication between communication between the computer and the user. Eighth one, creates user friendly environment. User friendly environment. Okay friends, thanks for watching. Do subscribe for more videos.